Hey guys, this is Roman. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Squarespace. So first thing you need to do is to create an account and then choose a template. So first thing that you need to do is to go here and click here on this login button and choose what way would you like to use to log in or create an account. So because we don't have any account yet, you need to go in the upper right corner right here and click on the create account icon. And one way which I recommend is just to continue with Google, because you don't lose your passwords. You're going to have you're going to be automatically signed in. So I'm just going to choose Google. I'm going to skip this step because I've already created an account, so it doesn't make sense to waste time with it. So I'm just going to click continue with Google and then just log in with my account. So once you have logged in, you're going to see my dashboard, and here in the upper right corner you can click create website, and it's going to direct you directly into the menu with many templates that you can pick. Let's say that you own a local business and you want to create a website for your fitness gym. So let's just go with this one. And once it's loaded, we are going to start editing right away. So first window that pops up is the name or the title of the site. So we're going to fill it out. So I'm going to go with the working title, My Gym, and just hit continue. This is just like a tutorial, so we're going to skip everything. And here we go. This is another assistant right here that's going to show you or help you how to edit your site. I'm just going to skip it and show you myself. So the very most important features or buttons that you need to look at is this edit icon right here, and then mobile phone preview right here, and also this pages item in this menu, because if I click on it, you're going to get into the main navigation. So all these items in the menu basically represent these items in this menu that's going to be visible or displayed in reality like this on your page. So if you want to start editing, just click here in the upper left corner, and then you're going to get into the editor and you can start editing any element that you see on your page. Just click on it and you will be able to edit this element. So that's it guys, how to start with Squarespace. If you want to know more features, just check my other videos. I have covered nearly all of the features on how to make, create and edit your website in Squarespace. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one video.